Welcome to our ultimate guide. Welcome on computer building. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of selecting the right components for your PC. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced builder, this guide will help you understand the important factors to consider when building a computer. Let's get started. Before we dive into the assembly process, let's take a moment to familiarize ourselves with the essential components you'll need to build your own PC. Introduction to computer building. Building your own computer offers several advantages, including cost-effectiveness, customization options, and performance optimization. It also provides a deeper understanding of your system. Today, we'll guide you through the process of selecting the right components step by step. Essential Components Overview. To build a PC, you'll need a few key components. Let's quickly go over them. Processor, CPU, the brain of your computer, responsible for executing instructions and performing calculations. Motherboard, the main circuit board that connects and allows communication between all the components. Memory, RAM, temporary storage that allows the CPU to quickly access data. Storage, devices to store your data, such as hard drives or solid-state drives, SSDs. Graphics card, GPU, handles graphical calculations and is essential for gaming or graphic-intensive tasks. Power supply unit, PSU, supplies power to all the components in your system. Case, houses and protects your components, providing proper airflow and space for expansion. Now that we understand the essential components, let's talk about how to select the right ones for your needs. Selecting components. Choosing the right components is crucial to ensure compatibility and optimal performance. Here are some factors to consider. Processor and motherboard compatibility. Make sure the CPU socket on the motherboard supports your chosen processor. Consider the generation and socket type. RAM capacity and speed. Determine the amount of memory you'll need based on your usage and select the appropriate speed. Check the motherboard's supported RAM specifications. Storage type and capacity. Decide between traditional hard drives or faster solid-state drives, SSDs, considering the storage capacity you require. Look for SATA or NVMe compatibility. Graphics card performance. Consider your gaming or graphics needs and choose a GPU that matches your expectations. Look for the necessary ports and power requirements. Power supply wattage. Ensure your PSU can provide enough power to support all your components and any future upgrades. Consider efficiency ratings and modular versus non-modular options. Case size and features. Select a case that accommodates your chosen components, offers proper airflow, and suits your aesthetic preferences. Look for cable management options and expansion slots. Research and comparisons. To make informed decisions, it's crucial to research and compare different components. Reviews and benchmarks. Read reviews and look for benchmarks to understand the performance and reliability of various components. Compatibility checkers. Use online compatibility checkers or consult manufacturer websites to ensure compatibility between different components. Budget considerations. Set a budget and prioritize your needs to find the best value for your money. Additional peripherals and accessories. Don't forget about peripherals and accessories that enhance your computing experience. Keyboard and mouse. Choose a comfortable and reliable keyboard and mouse that suit your preferences, whether for gaming or general use. Monitor. Select a monitor with the appropriate size, resolution, and refresh rate for your needs. Audio. Consider headphones, speakers, or sound systems if you require high-quality audio. Connectivity. Check for Wi-Fi cards, Ethernet cables, or additional USB ports if needed. Congratulations! You now have the knowledge to select the right components for your computer build. Remember, thorough research and compatibility checks are essential to ensure a successful build. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to ask in the comments below. Happy component shopping! Subscribe for more content like this.